Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make sushi leaf. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need fresh nori sheets, 2 cups of sushi rice, and a simple seasoning mix of rice vinegar, sugar, and salt. Don't forget your favorite fillings, such as fresh salmon, creamy avocado, or crisp cucumber. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable, ensuring a delicious outcome for your homemade sushi. Now, let's prepare the heart of your sushi, the rice. Begin by rinsing 2 cups of sushi rice until the water runs completely clear. Cook it according to package directions, usually with 2.5 cups of water. While it's warm, gently fold in a mixture of 1/4 cup of rice vinegar, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and 1 teaspoon of salt. This seasoning gives your rice that authentic, slightly sweet and tangy flavor. With your rice ready, it's time to assemble. Lay 1 nori sheet, shiny side down, on your bamboo rolling mat. Spread a thin, even layer of seasoned rice over about 2/3 of the nori, leaving a small strip at the top. Arrange your chosen fillings horizontally across the center of the rice. Now, using the mat, carefully and tightly roll the nori and fillings into a compact cylinder. This creates a firm, beautiful sushi roll. Finally, let's slice and serve your masterpiece. Moisten a very sharp knife with water to prevent the rice from sticking, then cut your sushi roll into 6 to 8 equal-sized pieces. Arrange them beautifully on a plate. Serve your freshly made sushi leaf with traditional accompaniments like soy sauce, a dab of wasabi, and some pickled ginger. Enjoy the satisfaction of creating delicious, restaurant-quality sushi right in your own kitchen.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.